Yes, you can layer cold lay tarmac for a stronger repair when holes are deeper than a single pass. Cold lay tarmac should be applied in thin lifts to ensure good compaction and adhesion. Start by cleaning the hole thoroughly of loose debris, dust, and standing water using a stiff broom and a water-free surface. If the hole has vertical sides, square them off with a cold chisel or saw to create a stable edge for bonding. For holes deeper than 1 inch, place material in lifts no thicker than 2 inches per pass, tamping each lift with a hand tamper or a plate compactor until the surface is firm and the material is squeezed laterally against the edges. Feather the final lift to match the surrounding driveway grade and avoid creating a crown that traps water. Allow at least 24 hours of cure time before opening to light foot traffic and longer before vehicle traffic, noting that cold lay products cure by binder consolidation rather than true chemical curing, so strength increases over days and weeks. Common mistakes include placing too thick lifts, which do not compact properly and can ravel out. Fix this by removing excess, reapplying in thinner lifts, and compacting each lift fully. Another issue is poor edge preparation, where loose material remains and the patch debonds. Correct that by trimming to sound pavement, cleaning to remove dust and moisture, and brushing in a tack coat if recommended by the product. A third concern is inadequate compaction, because users rely only on hand pressing. Use a minimum of a hand tamper for small holes and a plate compactor for larger repairs, and make multiple passes to achieve density. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting them to professionals who handle driveway repairs and related projects. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their local client base, and we host an active discussion community where members share tips, product experiences, and technique advice.